Hi guys, today I'm going to show you this EZINK cartridge replacement set for my Canon printer. What's really important here is that we have here a very reliable brand which is on the market since almost 20 years. One of the largest manufacturers regarding such inks. That's very important. But of course we also want to see what we get, if it's easy to use, if you can open the cartridges and replace them without causing a mess. And then of course I'm going to show you how good the printing quality is. So here's the box, and these are the cartridges. And by the way, that's the full set. That's all the cartridges which my Canon printer has, but you don't have to replace all in one. They are single wrapped, so you can start to replace one by one. And so I'm here at my Canon printer. That's the TR8620A, and you can see that the blue one is low at ink. That means that's the one we need to replace. So of course we have to close the lid here, and then we can open the whole top. So we have access to these printer cartridges. So we wait till it's here, and then we can push and lift up the blue one. So let's open the new one. Everything really dry, clean. That's super important. Now we lift it up here. Very carefully, let's lift it up. Also here inside, pretty clean. You can see there's no mess here around. Super clean manufacturing. This is exactly what we want. We can see also very high fill level. That's important, so we can print a lot. And so I'm pushing this here inside. Push it all the way to the front and then push it down. So that was already pretty much it. So we close cover, and now let's check on the ink. And so we can see now that it shows a full tank. And so I'm printing a test page now from my computer. Let's turn it around, check for the blue. Yeah, everything which is blue is absolutely amazing, very beautiful, super sharp, nice, clear. Absolutely no dripping, no smearing, no nothing. So I would say absolutely no difference to the original cartridge. And so full recommendation from my side. And so you can buy it directly from Amazon or their homepage. And I'll put down these links down into the description of the video. And so I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this review. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.